Boil the chicken breast in the pot with water, 5 minutes on both sides. Remove onto a cutting board. Cut the chicken breast into pieces and put into a bowl. Crack 2 eggs into another bowl. Pour in milk. Add salt and mix well with a whisk. Add flour and baking powder. Mix once again until you obtain a homogeneous batter without lumps. Add mozzarella, grated on the small grater. Season with oregano and mix once again. Pour into the bowl with chicken breast. Mix all the ingredients well. Pour the mixture into the baking tray and level the layer with the spoon. Cut a zucchini into thin rounds. Put the zucchini rounds in the tray. Cut half a red bell pepper into thin slices. Put the bell pepper slices among the zucchini. Sprinkle the vegetables with grated cheese and bake for 25 minutes. Put a generous layer of arugula on the plate. Add half a yellow bell pepper cut into large pieces. Cut a cucumber into pieces and put on the plate with vegetables. Add a few cherry tomatoes cut in halves. Drizzle the vegetables with olive oil. Then with balsamic vinegar. Whenever I cook oven-baked gratinated chicken breast, my loved ones are over the moon. It is a healthy, quick, very tasty, and inexpensive recipe. Exactly what you needed.